All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about how I hate lazy techs. Behind the camera over there is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It's got the big, the big bad 3.6 in it, and it was towed here from a dealer. Complaint was no crank, no start, intermittent check engine light. The dealer told him it needs an engine. Okay. So it got towed in. It's a no crank for sure, and I will give it to them. The starter sounds like the engine is locked up. 27 millimeter and a long ratchet confirmed the engine is not locked up. We pushed it in, put it up in the air, no holes in the block. It's got oil in it, it's got coolant. Check engine light is a P0305 misfire. So it might have some engine issues, but it doesn't need an engine at this point, it needs a starter. But the lazy tech didn't do anything but push the button, here to click, and go, needs an engine. I mean, I verified that the engine wasn't locked up in the rain. Because if the engine was locked up, I'm not pushing it in. So I went out there, ratcheted it over, yeah, it turns. Again, 27 millimeter. They work on Chryslers, they know the 3.7 crank bolt is 27 millimeters. So, just lazy. I mean, it's just lazy. That's all it comes down to. They didn't want to continue checking it out because, they got money to make elsewhere, and I'm sure he got paid for his diag. That was wrong. Now again, we've warned the customer that there probably is other issues. I mean, I'm sure there's other issues. It's a 3.6, so at the bare minimum, it probably needs rockers and maybe some camshafts, or it might have the head issue. I think 18 was still, or they still had the valve issue, but regardless, I can't diagnose any of that till I get it started. To verify even if it's got an actual misfire or it's an ignition misfire or whatever. But till it runs, I can't do anything. Oh, and the starter is on back order. So we'll find out in like 2 weeks because aftermarket was 02. Yeah, just 5 minutes. It literally took me 2 minutes to go out there and check it was not locked up. So hope you enjoyed the rant. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.